I just turned around with another MEGN 200 video. Here's my backup camera. So, if I... Oh, okay. Starts blinking right under 16. And then if I get to under 6, it'll turn red and beep. So there it is, a green again. And I'll show you my hand. So here's the code. That's just the stuff from to do the echo, or from the starter code. There we go. And then my RGB stuff, and then all the setup. And then, so if a is greater than 16 centimeters, it'll be green, no buzz. If it's in between 16 centimeters, it'll be yellow with a buzz for 50 seconds, and then no buzz for 200 milliseconds. Then if it's less than 7 centimeters, it'll be red with a constant buzz. And then everything else is in between, so any other values will just be off.